We all have heard of wisdom teeth, the third molar. It's known as different things in different languages, but majorly the issue is the same. It's known as Gyanapal in Tamil. It's known as Akal Dad in Hindi. And Akal Dad is a similarish word used in Bengali as well. Now, this is the last teeth in your oral cavity. For many people, it doesn't come in your oral cavity itself, and many a times it does come, and it comes with a lot of problems. So, what to do with this? Like most of the times, people think ना रहेगा बांस ना बजेगी बांसुरी, तो उखाड़ देते हैं, निकालवा देते हैं. तो क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do when our third molar, this wisdom teeth, is troubling us? Well, it depends on what is the state of your wisdom teeth. If your wisdom teeth is upright, it's almost like how your other teeth are, then it's a good idea to get it restored if the problem is a caries, or it can be a good idea to go for an RCT if the damage is so extensive. But if the angle is tilted, if it's either tilted towards your tongue or towards your buccal region, either of these cases, even if it's tilted a little bit on the distal side, the thing is, with this tilt comes a tendency where food accumulates there, maintenance becomes difficult, and sometimes a layer of tissue comes on top of them, top of the teeth. Many times there is a temporary solution known as operculectomy, in which the operculum is cut, but it's a temporary solution, more or less. In such cases, if your third molar is creating an issue for you, it's best to get it extracted. But otherwise, the condition aforementioned is a condition you can think about going ahead with the treatment. Another thing should be noted is the third molar of your upper arch present or not in the same lower arch where you're having a trouble. That also will determine the further course of your treatment. If it's not there, then still your third molar will undergo something known as supra-eruption. So it's going to come out. It's going to come up from your occlusion line, which will cause further problem, your collapse of bite. Your teeth will tilt here and there. So mostly, in most cases, most often than not, it depends from patient to patient, but most often than not, it's better to get it extracted.